Hello everyone, so this is my assignment 7 of Microsoft Excel. First is on a new workbook, type in a text and numbers in the same cells as shown as below. Next is in cell E2, create a formula using the following information. Weekly loss kg equal current minus target and then divide into weeks. After that, copy the formula down the column to work out the other weekly losses in kilograms. Is in cell F2, create a formula using the following information. Weekly loss equal weekly loss kg times 2.2, and then copy the formula down the column to work out the other weekly losses in pounds. And last, in cell B6, create a formula that we will add together of the all current weights.